Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. In today's video, we will learn how to use database functions in Excel. In database functions, we will cover DSUM formula, DCOUNT formula and DAVERAGE formula. And in DSUM, we will cover one simple type, OR type and AND type. So let's start. I'm taking an example of a superstore data here. It is the sales data of superstore and it has approx 10,000 rows. This is a big bulk data. So let's start with the DSUM formula. See, here are multiple categories in this. See, there are three categories in this data. That's furniture, office supplies and technology. We can calculate it with some formula also. But what if we only need a specific total, like only for furniture, only for office supplies and technology? And what if we want to add one more filter in that's region basis or any other, on the monthly basis also we can do it. So let's start. First we will title here as category. Let's suppose we are calculating it for furniture, so we will enter, put the furniture here, and here we will title it as sum. So the formula of DSUM is DSUM. See, it's visible here. Now use the tab key. See, what's the argument here? First we have to select the database. And what is the database in this scenario? That's this whole data. So we will select it with the pressing the control, shift and then arrow. Right arrow, then down arrow. So it's completely selected now. Now the next argument is field. So what will be the field? In this case, we are calculating the total sales value. So we will just take the first header of this cell, that is I1. You can manually enter here or you can just select it with mouse. Now comma, and then we have to select the criteria. And what's the criteria? We want to search category and then furniture. So we will take this and then bracket close and it's here. So this is the example of simple DSUM. Now the next thing is we want to calculate it for office supplies also. Just type the office supplies here. One thing that we have to remember while applying this formula is cross check for the spelling, and if there is any spaces, it should be the same as selecting database. Okay, now for the office supplies, it is in OR type, like furniture or office supplies. What is the total sales in this whole data? In this formula, just double click here. It will be editable, or we can edit it with the other way. Just go to the shape and then if you will click in the bar here, it will be editable. Now we have to change the criteria. Our database is same, it will remain same. Our field will remain same. We only want the total sales only, and the criteria will change. We have to select this for category, furniture and office supplies. We have to include all three. Now just hit enter and it will get changed. So this is how it works. Now the next type of DSUM is AND type. So let's just insert a column here. We will name it as, like if we want to make it region wise. Just type region here, and then for example we are taking for south, we will just type here south, and for this for example we are taking it west. Now what we are calculating is the furniture sales in the south region plus office supply sales in the west region. Now the things will remain same here also, right? Just double click here, database will remain same as we are not changing the data. Our field will remain same because we are going to calculate only the total sales here. Now we have to change the criteria. Now the criteria will be this completely. Okay, just enter it and it is done. So these are the all three types of DSUM. What if we have to count it? It's the same thing. Just enter the count here. Title. The formula for DCOUNT will be equal to DCOUNT, and it's visible here. Now just enter database, same thing. I'm selecting the data with Control Shift and arrow keys. Now the field. What will be our field? We want to count the sales here. So just select the title here, then criteria. In the criteria, whatever we want to calculate, we will select this and bracket close it here. So there are 229 counts of sales that belongs to south region and categories furniture plus west region and categories office supplies. Now what is the average sales of according to each order? These are this one here one row defines the one order. Now just name it as average, and then the formula will be D average. Now same thing database, or we can just select the arguments from here, this fx insert function key. Here just click on it, here it will show database. First we have to select the database, so click on it here and here. Field will be same as this one, or we can just enter it as I1. Now the criteria will be from K1 to L3. We can select it like this, or just simply type it with keyboard and then OK. See, this is the average sales per order for these. We can do these things with sum also, that's is equal to sum, but in that case we can't filter out the things, or we can't add like these things, like we have added a specific region and specific category. We can't do these things. So there you have it. I hope you find the video helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.